Hello there. Thank you for showing interest in your future development. This brief walkthrough is brought to you by the Organizational Excellence Group. Today, we will outline what's involved in creating your personal development plan. Let's go take a look together. To create your team member development plan, first start with My Toolbox. Click on See All and scroll down until you have located the Workday icon, which you will use to open Workday. Log into Workday using the Toyota North American Team Member Login tab, as shown here. Once logged in, to access your profile, simply click on the team member icon or your photo, which is displayed in the top right corner, then by clicking View Profile. From here, you will see all the areas of your profile listed along the left side. The Team Member Development Plan is in the Career section. If you do not see the Career tab, it will be listed under the More tab. You can also reframe your screen, and it will be located at the end of the list. Once you're in the Career section, you can see your career profile items listed in the tabs across the top bar. At this point, I would like to highlight that updating your career profile items before starting a new development plan will be less burdensome than updating each category once the development plan has been started. This is why all the profile items are listed along the top. This enables you to follow the process flow easier and simplifies how your information is inputted. All the way on the right, click on the More tab to drop down the selections. Now click on Development Plans. Be sure to use the Development Plan tab and not the Development Items tab. Here, you can see both in progress and completed plans. If you have a development plan that is in progress status, a new plan cannot be started. This doesn't mean that you cannot work on development items for that plan. It simply means that the career portion of the plan cannot be changed. If you have created a plan and your supervisor has not yet approved it, the plan will be shown in the In Progress section. You may choose to cancel the current In Progress plan before creating a new plan, or you can ask your supervisor to either approve or send back the open plan. Either canceling or approving your current plan will allow you to create a new plan. Having your supervisor send back your current plan will return control over the plan back to the team member. If you would like to remove an old plan, you must first delete the current In Progress plan. Be aware that all the information will also be deleted with it. To delete a plan, hover your cursor over the title in the Review column and click on the More icon. Select Business Process, then select Cancel. Input in the comment section is required. Once entered, click Submit. If done correctly, a pop-up banner will notify you that the event has been canceled. Now, if there are no In Progress plans displayed, you may start your new development plan by clicking Start My Development Plan at the bottom. In the Review Template section, select North American Development Plan. For the period start and end date, you may enter today's date for both. This will allow you to create a new plan tomorrow if you choose to cancel your current plan. Selecting a longer date range will take away the ability to make changes to your current plan until the end date has expired. You will still be able to track and comment on your development items, which we will discuss further when entering development items. The comment section is optional, and now you may click Submit. Once submitted, you can click Open or select the title of the plan under the Review column of your In Progress section. Workday provides two paths to writing your plan. You may use the Guided Editor or the Summary Editor. We are going to review the Guided Editor as it has the Summary Editor built into the process. The first section is about your strengths. You may notice that your comments from earlier plans have automatically transferred to your new plan. You can edit the previous comments by clicking either the pencil on the top right or directly on the answer text box so that you can update either question. After typing an update, you may click on the check mark or outside of the question box to save your response. When completed, use the Next button at the bottom left to proceed. This opens your career goals section. From here, you may make comments about your short-term, 1 to 2 years, and your long-term, 3 to 5 year career aspirations. The same as before, you may click on the pencil or directly on the text box to edit or update this information. When complete, use the next button at the bottom left to proceed. Arriving at the interest and mobility section, you can input career interest and relocation preferences. You may click into the career section to edit or update career preferences. You can type in keywords to search for the desired selection from the drop-down menus. Below the drop-down menu is a free response box to input any additional comments. For relocation purposes, you may answer the questions using the drop-downs, or you can share comments in the box titled Additional Information. When ready, use the next button at the bottom left to proceed. This is where your development items are listed. These are the individual actions you will need to take in executing your development plan. These development items will automatically transfer from your career plan to your career profile and allow you to mark them as not started, in progress, or completed while making comments and updates to track your plan. The purpose for this is that updates to your strengths, career goals, interests, and mobility occur during the creation of your team member development plan, as well as throughout the year. You can track your development through updating your development item status and progress during regular check-in meetings instead of rewriting your plan altogether. All in-progress development items for your career profile or earlier team member development plans will be auto-populated into your new plan. You may click Add to create additional development items. The editing process is the same as in earlier selections. Using the pencil or clicking into the text box will allow you to add text. Clicking on the check icon or clicking out of the box will save the edits. A key point for tagging your competency is to select it by category. By scrolling to the bottom, you will see the TNA, TFS, Team Toyota competencies. This selection will allow you to see the Toyota Way 2020 values. Each development item has several optional comments and questions that you may add to give clarity to your plan. You must talk with your supervisor to develop a good strategy and realistic expectations for completing your development item. When all of your development items are complete, you may click the Next button at the bottom left. This portion titled Document section is optional. You may include older development plan templates, career maps, or any other specific documents relating to your plan. You may click the Next button at the bottom left to move on. This takes us to your summary. If you remember in the beginning, we had the choice to select Summary View, which is a shortcut to this screen. From here, you can scroll down to review all your entries for your whole plan and edit any details directly from the Summary View. If you would like to save your progress and submit your plan at a later date, you may click on the button Save for Later. Access to reopen your plan will be located in your Workday inbox. If your plan is complete, you may click the Submit button in the bottom left, which will then route your development plan to your supervisor. If done correctly, you will see the Success Event Submitted tag on display, and your plan is now in progress. Please notify your supervisor that you have a plan ready for review. The plan will remain in progress, and any updates to your development items will remain locked until your supervisor approves your plan. Once your supervisor approves the plan, the team member career profile will reflect all changes made while updating your development plan. It will now be up to you to start executing your development items. Do not forget to log your progress on your career profile under Development Items and use the platform for tracking and guiding your development discussions throughout the year. I hope you have found this tutorial in navigating the creation of your development plan helpful. Thank you for your attention in this video, and as always, let's go places.